If you can dream it, it's meant for you, because why else would you think of that? Why else would you desire that? Because it's meant for you. Hey unicorns, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we have a very overdue video. I have promised you guys another one of my manifestation videos for a very long time. So today's video is actually going to be 5 tips from me to live a more positive life in 2021. I have just been waiting for the right time for this video and to just put it out there, just with 5 tips from me and how I live a more positive life. I discussed it more in my vlogmas, but yeah, it's literally so close to Christmas now. We are 2 sleeps away, can you believe it? So yeah, if you're excited for this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here, Angel. I'd love you to become a part of the Unicorn Gal fam. And yeah, let's get straight on into this video. So my tip number 1 for changing your life to live more positively has to be change your mindset. You obviously need to change your mindset in order to become more positive. And some people are going to watch this video and be like, I can't do that, or that's stupid. Literally hold your disbelief until you finish this video, and honestly, your life will change if you use these practices on a daily basis. So tip number 1 is to change your mindset. What I mean by this is you need to think more positively. You need to start thinking that everything's happening to you for a reason. And if you're probably watching this and thinking, oh my god, so stupid, literally hold your disbelief until you finish the end of this video and use all these techniques in your life, and your life will literally change. So what I mean by change your mindset is I would obviously recommend to watch The Secret. The Secret explains it in such great detail that everything that you think, everything that you feel literally reacts in your outer world. For example, if you stub your toe and you're annoyed for the rest of the day, if you let it annoy yourself for the rest of the day, then you're going to be annoyed for the rest of the day. However, if you just let it be painful for 2 seconds, because obviously stubbing your toe is going to be painful, but then just go about your day, then that's changing your mindset not to think negatively for the rest of the day. And then loads of other things in your environmental factors will you'll start perceiving them as negative, because obviously you've started off your day negative. So change your mindset to think positive and believe everything is working for you. For example, just being grateful for everything that you have in your life already. Like when you wake up, be grateful for your bed, for your shoes, for your slippers, for your clothes and anything like that, and just start your day with just a grateful heart. Also, other examples of changing your mindset can be with sort of like your self-love or image. If you are always thinking about your self-image negatively, you are obviously going to make yourself feel negative. So if you change your mindset to praise yourself and love who you are as a person, as a being, as someone on this earth, then you're changing your mindset there and then to think more positive things about yourself, and you'll choose to do more positive things for yourself, like choose to eat healthy, choose to put more healthy food into your body, and just changing your mindset really. I don't know how else to explain it, but definitely watch The Secret. I definitely recommend that. That literally explains it detail by detail, how to change your mindset, but it just sort of automatically clicks once you're doing it every single day and just change your mind to think positive every single day. It just makes you feel so happy as well, and emotion ties within it as well, which I'll go on to. But yeah, tip 1 is definitely change your mindset to think more positive and think of the good things in your life right now. Tip number 2 to living a more positive life is use affirmations. I absolutely love affirmations. And if you don't know what affirmations are where you talk out loud or inside about things that you want to achieve or things that you want to manifest, bring into your life, and just sort of make yourself feel good about those things that you want to achieve in your life. And I absolutely love affirmations. I think they're just the key to success. You definitely need to repeat them on a daily basis. So comment down below your affirmation of the day. Comment down below your affirmation of the day if you are into affirmations, or if not, I'll show you examples now of my favorite ones. So I like to use the phrase I am. So I am is a really powerful affirmation because you're starting it with I and then am. So everything that you say after that, you are bringing that basically into your life straight away, and you can feel it straight away because you're saying I am. So it could be I'm abundant, I am healthy, I am positive. There's literally so many ways you can use the phrase I am, or you can use I have abundance of money, I have a healthy lifestyle, I have all the prosperity I need, or I have amazing loving family, I have an amazing loving boyfriend, or dad, sister, brother, whoever. You're basically attracting more of that into your life by using your affirmations daily. And always affirmations work because your subconscious mind is taking in those affirmations. So with your mindset, you have your conscious mind, which is every day me talking right now, knowing what I'm doing, and then your subconscious mind is your routine mindset, what you do on a daily basis. So basically anything that's set in the subconscious mind from when you're very little. And if you want to get out of that mindset, for example, if you didn't have much money growing up or anything like that, you have obviously been conditioned from when you were very young to believe that you have no money because your surroundings and maybe your parents were arguing. This is just an example, not that mine were. Say if they were or anything like that. That is obviously going to be programmed into your subconscious mind. It's proven, it's scientific. So basically, if you want to change your life, you need to change your subconscious programming. So affirmations help with this because you're teaching your mind to think different. And the most important times in your life are 5 minutes before you go to sleep and 5 minutes when you wake up as well. Honestly, these times are so important because these are the most closest times you're going to get to your subconscious mind. So you're literally telling your subconscious mind directly, whereas your subconscious mind is basically like when you drive a car, you do it over and over again until you can actually do it without thinking. Like sometimes I drive to work and I completely forget which way I've gone because I've obviously gone that way so many times I don't even need to think about it, if that makes sense. Or it's the same with your morning routine. If you want to change your morning routine, you need to repeat it every single day for 30 days until you change it. So yeah, tip number 2 is to use affirmations. They are just amazing for changing your life, changing the way you think, changing the way you want to change your whole being, changing your reality. So I absolutely love affirmations. You can write them down, that'll second tier it to make it more powerful, but definitely saying them out loud with emotion attached to those affirmations. I'm gonna go on to another point in a minute, but honestly, emotions attached to affirmations are so powerful. So tip number 3 is to write out your goals in life. You can't manifest anything into your life unless you have a plan. So anything that you want to achieve, write it out and sort of write out how you're going to get that goal. How are you going to get that many subscribers? How are you going to get that many followers? What are you going to do to put in the work? Because law of attraction is all about energy, but it's all about action as well. If you don't take action on your energy, then it's literally just a dream on paper. You need to work out how you're going to achieve in small steps to achieve this goal. And that's how the law of attraction works. So write out your goals, every single one of them, big or small, and write them in detail. You can't attract something if you don't write it in detail of what you exactly want. You can't just write, I want a house. You have to write where the house is, what property is it, how many bedrooms does it have. Not so down to the detail with what colours the room. If you wanted to, you can, but just be a little bit more specific than just one descriptive word. So definitely write down your goals. That is tip number 3, and it is a really good one if you want to actually put action into your imagination. Tip number 4 is visualization. Visualization is such a powerful tool that we're allowed to use in multiple ways. It is just profound how good visualization is, especially, as I was going to say, if you tie it in with emotions, it is incredible. That's why I love to use affirmations, meditations in the morning and the evening, because they are so powerful when you use them with your imagination. Imagination is just so powerful. So like I said, with writing out your dreams, if you use your write it down dreams with your affirmation, with your imagination, wow, that is a powerful combination. So if you sit, relax and close your eyes and imagine what your goal is, for example, if it's the house, imagine yourself walking into that house, imagine yourself walking into that kitchen, being around your family, with your friends, or if it's your dream body, imagine what that body will feel like. And oh my god, if you try this tip, let me know down below what you think about it. And all these tips so far, mind blown. So yeah, tip number 4 is imagination. Like I said, it's just so powerful in a summary, and it's just such a good tool to use in different aspects of your life as well. With all these points as well, you can use them in different aspects of your life. It has to be a different aspect for each dream. In a sense, you need to focus on one thing for health, one thing for wealth, one thing for family, etc, etc. I would definitely stick to one manifestation at a time within each sector, because you're going to overwhelm yourself. So for example, one thing in money, one thing in health, one thing in family, so it doesn't confuse you. So imagination is just so good, visualization, and just using these on a daily basis and remembering to use them every second you can throughout the day, because it's sort of taking you outside of what your 9-to-5 job is, for example. So if you do it on your lunch break and remember what you actually want to desire in your life, you're sort of nudging yourself to go for what you actually want, and forgetting, if you don't like your job, for example, you're forgetting that you don't like your job, but you're working towards getting your dream job in a sense. So yeah, tip number 4 is visualization. So important, and we're on our last step, and I can't believe I've gone through it so fast. You can just tell how passionate I am. Like, I can tell how passionate I am, because I just want to share my knowledge with you guys so much, and I will have more manifestation videos coming your way as well. So tip number 5 kind of comes in 2 parts. So tip number 5 is hold off any negativity. So like I said in the beginning, literally hold off your disbelief. You need to try it. You actually need to go into this 100%. Like I said, it's not going to be an easy journey, because you obviously need to teach your whole mind to think a different way, to learn a different way, to see life in a different way, see life in a more positive camera lens through your eyes. Does that make sense? So hold off your disbelief, hold off your negativity, sort of get away from anyone that's draining your energy, thinks negative thoughts, puts people down, anything like that. Get it out, honestly, or just forget what they're saying. Don't take your emotion out of you, don't take your energy out of you to put into their thoughts, feelings, actions. Don't add on to it, because otherwise you're just letting yourself go down that black hole of negativity. And this is why I deleted my last video, because in that video I was going on about what happened to me in the past, where now I don't even think about it anymore. It's not even in my existence. I know it's happened to get me where I am today. However, I have forgiven, I have moved on. So anything that's happened to you in the past, you need to forgive and move on. That is the only way you're gonna move on from anything, if you see it as a teaching. However extreme it may possibly be, you honestly need to think it in a positive light, that you've gone through it and it's bringing you to be a more stronger person. And I'm always here to chat about anything. I want to be that person that you want to come to if you have any problems or anything like that. I'm always free to talk. But honestly, it's your own journey as well. You need to move yourself out of that hectic negative environment and put yourself in a positive light. Honestly, when I started the law of attraction, like, most of my family was more into the mindset of their one-way thinking. And ever since I went on this journey, I swear everyone has changed around me. So literally, if you change, everyone else is going to change around you. It explains in The Secret as well, where this one person had a really terrible time at work, and then once they changed their mindset, literally everything fell into place. People left them alone. So yeah, hold off any negativity. And then the part 2 of tip 5 is believe that you deserve it. Believe that you deserve it. Believe that you deserve these amazing things coming into your life, or what you want in life. You need to believe that they're meant for you. If it's in your imagination, it's meant for you. If you can dream it, it's meant for you, because why else would you think of that? Why else would you desire that? Because it's meant for you. You need to believe that you're actually going to achieve it. Or if someone has something that you want, you need to believe that it can happen to you too. Because you need to believe that's happening. You need to believe that you have it right now. That is another tip as well. But I'm going to be doing more of these videos, so be in store for that. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more manifestation content. I'm going to be making a playlist on my channel for these types of videos, because I'm so passionate about this subject, literally so passionate. I just want to share my knowledge with you as much as I can, and what I have learned, and just coming on a journey with me about how much I've learned as well, and what I'm going to learn, because literally there's so much to learn within the law of attraction. There is so many different techniques of using the law of attraction, and I will do more videos on techniques of how to use the law of attraction. Let me know down below on what videos you want to see related to the law of attraction. Any videos that you want to see related to the law of attraction, related to how I manifest, relating to anything to do with positivity and living your best dream life. So unicorns, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to become part of the Unicorn Gal fam for new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.